Today I'm here in the garlic field and we're going to go ahead and start pulling scapes. It's June 18 and our scapes are starting to come up and be ready to pull. What you see here is Great Northern White garlic. This is a hardneck garlic, and what a hardneck does is it grows a seed pod at the top, and so that's how it spreads itself in the wild. And what it'll do is it'll curl and then it's going to straighten up, and when it straightens up it's going to grow about twice as tall as the plant, and it's going to grow a seed pod about yay big, and you'll have up to 100 seeds in that just little pod. It's huge and it just spreads itself. Well, in the wild they want to spread themselves, so they're going to focus on that seed pod. But here, when we want our bulbs to be really big, we don't want them to focus on that seed pod. We want to cut that seed pod off so that they instead focus all their energy on their bulb. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take my clippers here. I'm just going to go ahead and cut seed pod off right there. Now I can cut it off or I could break it off, and that works too. The time to go ahead and cut it and break it is when it's curled. You see this is curled on itself, and that's the time, and this one's curled on itself as well. When you see it's curled at a 180 on itself, it's a perfect time to go ahead and cut it off. Garlic scapes are great. You can dry them, you can dice them up and put them in a salad, you can put them on pizza, you can put them in a stir fry, you can really put them anywhere you like a little bit of garlic taste on it. So give them a try, but that's garlic scapes. That's what they are, and that's how you pick them.